But first, I just wanted to point out that you're welcome. We can edit tweets now. Now, there's a couple asterisks to that. I'll break down what that exactly means. So it's been in the works for a while. We knew Twitter was going to have an edit tweet button. I don't know how many years I've asked for this. It's a very simple thing to do. Instagram has editing. Facebook has editing. We can edit on everything except Twitter, right? Okay. So it's rolling out to Twitter Blue subscribers first, which is, you have to be, it's $3 a month or something like that, I think. And it's in beta and it's rolling out slowly to people who are subscribed. But basically, you can tweet, and then within 30 minutes of your tweet, if you found the typo or you tagged the wrong account or you want to add one more thing or punctuation, whatever, you want to edit the tweet, you can go in and edit it. And you can edit it multiple times in these 30 minutes, which is cool. So what happens is the engagement for that tweet will show in aggregate, but on the timeline, it will show that this is an edited tweet, and you can expand to view the history of the edits and which engagements happened with which version of the tweet. It's well executed, well thought out. I will continue to play with this, hopefully not on purpose, but I do make typos, and I will be fixing them. Yeah. Thank you, Twitter.
I love it. It's funny, you've been asking for it so long that I feel like every time you give an example, you give it less and less of a chance that you're like, well, we should just get 5 minutes, one edit, 5 characters.
Let me edit 5 characters, yeah.
And they give you half an hour and unlimited edits. They went really lenient with it, and I love it. I'm surprised it took that long if they're going to be that okay with all of it, but kudos.
What's funny is this is such an old problem that it almost feels like one of those OG, the lore of this product problems, kind of like how Half-Life 3 will never come out.
You mean like an Instagram tablet app?
Low blow.
No. Yes.
Yeah. Real quick question. You said coming out to Twitter Blue users first. Does that mean to everybody eventually?
That's a good question. I don't know. So right now I know that you can only edit tweets. You can't edit replies. You can't edit polls. You can't edit all sorts of things. But they do plan on expanding it to all those things eventually. So that's why it's in beta now, and they're going to continue to roll it out for all those things. I don't know if that means they're also going to allow everyone to edit eventually.
It's funny because I wondered, you said polls. I was like, why couldn't you edit polls? Oh, because
change
someone
option 1 and option 2.
Vote, and then you could change it. But okay.
Yeah. So,
yesterday, they also rolled out being able to do multiple media types at the same time. So you can tweet a video, photo, and GIF at the same time.
There's some great memes out there.
Yeah.
There's one of the top 2 and left are Kirby sucking something up, and the bottom is a GIF or a video of something getting pulled away. Yeah.
Every time there's a new feature, people will try to exploit it.
That's exactly.
I love it.
Every new feature, somebody just pushes it to the extreme. Somebody replied that I should just start hiding secret messages in edits. So my timeline looks normal, but you can see my tweets are edited. And then if you expand every edited tweet, you can find a new set of tweets of a completely different topic. We'll play with that.
There are some merch coupon codes in there.
Oh, interesting idea.
You should have Twitter notifications on, I guess.
I really like that idea, actually.
Follow us on Twitter for that.
Noted.
All right, guys, last thing before we go, can we just do a Clips outro so I can put it at the end of each Clips that we do?
I got to get editing this impressions.
It is 5 p.m.
We have so much to do.
Wait, but I just need...
We have
Sorry, man. You've got a lot of work to do.
We all got things to do, Adam. Every single one of us!
Hey, what's up? This is Marquez Brownlee. Make sure to like and subscribe.